How to check profit and loss in Binance. Now in order to check profit or loss in Binance, you just simply need to open Binance application at very first, and after opening the Binance, you will get to see this features option at the bottom. Just simply tap into features and then it will lead you to this page. Now after coming into here, you will get to see these three dots into the top right corner. Just simply tap to these three dots and then you will get this option of trading data. Just simply tap to trading data and you can see your tradings, open interest and volume, max pain, all those stuff in here. You can see all of the tradings that is going on. You can see the current trends in here, and if you want to see your trading history to know how you are performing in the Binance and to check your profit and loss, you can go into this history option. I cannot show you right now because I haven't verified my account, but after going into history you can see all of your previous trading, and from there you can have idea if you are going to profit or loss. I hope this video have been helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.